To deposit crypto on KuCoin, go to Assets and click Deposit. Then choose the crypto you want to deposit. Choose the correct network for the coin you are depositing. Copy the address you will be using to deposit your coin. Some cryptos need a memo. It's an extra address feature for identifying a transaction recipient. Used for cryptocurrencies that use destination tag memo technology. Just copy and paste memo if needed. Go to Asset page to withdraw crypto. Before you withdraw, you will need to transfer crypto to your fund account. Now click on the crypto to withdraw. Now click Transfer. We are now transferring crypto from trading to funding account. Select coin, how much to send, and click Confirm. Go to Funds account. With our funds sent, we can now withdraw. In Funds account, click on the crypto you want to withdraw. Click on Withdraw. Now you can select the coin you're sending, paste the wallet address you are withdrawing to, select the correct network, choose the amount you're sending and click Withdraw. Click Confirm. Thanks for watching. If you're not a KuCoin user, there is a link in description below that will give you up to $8,200 welcome bonus. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you.